Hello YouTube, this is Lisa. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. I'm doing great. I have something that I wanted to show you all. I have received in the mail. I had already been on burpee.com, their website, and I had already received the Chicago fig from them and LSU purple. And I've been back on that website again. Now I've received my second order. So I'm going to show you what I got. So I'll be right back. Okay, so this is the box that came. And this is just a packing slip. And this is a guide to how to take care of the plant. And it has real good information in it. Tells about the plants. And then once you transplant it out, how far apart and all like that. So that's what that is. And I can get $10 off, $50 with that code. I don't know, maybe y'all could use it, because I'm always getting emails and stuff. Plant 10. These are the plants. They always have them boxed up like this. So these are the plants. This one is a just take it out. So this one is the Black Mission fig. Let me see right there. It's Black Mission. So that's a nice plant. I'm gonna take it and put it into some water. It needs watering, but I mean, it's a nice looking plant. Nice size. This one is the Fignomius, I think. It's a small fig. Fignominal. Fignominal. They both are really dry, so I'm gonna go ahead and sit them on in some water so that they can get hydrated. That one is the Black Mission, and this one is the Fignominal. Now, this one looked like he needed a little more help. Now I'll give him some little help, and then we'll see how he does. So that's what I wanted to show you all. I'll have something else that I want to show you too. Hello YouTube, this is Lisa. I have something very nice here from Diva Jones, and she sent me some good stuff. Well, let me show you. She sent a couple of packs of seeds. These are Roselle seeds. And she sent a lot. She harvested a lot of seeds last year from her garden of the Roselle. She probably have been growing them for a long time and has had a lot to grow anyway. But she sent me Roselle seeds, and these are catnip seeds, and she sent a lot of those too. and I am going to grow these. Catnip, I've never grown it before, but I am going to grow it this year, 2025. Thank you, Diva Jones. And so let me show you what's in the big pack here. She sent this, the real. So let's see. I know what it is. She has sent me a message. It is still moist. Is it in this pack? And it is still moist. It's turmeric. It is several rhizomes of turmeric. Let me see if I can get the bag, because it is a bunch of them in here. Yeah, see all that turmeric. I get one out so that you can see it. This is one, and it is several in here. This looks really good, and I wanted to grow turmeric this year, and looks like I'll just be able to. Thank you, Diva Jones, so much. Thank you so much. It is a lot of rhizomes in here, and she packed it really good. And they are still really moist. Thank you. I am so excited. It is very easy to grow. As long as you keep it, I think they're probably gonna need shade because it's gonna get hot here. And we figured out how to grow the ginger, and I feel like the turmeric will grow the same way, and it just needs shade. It's not gonna be able to stay in that. Like we can get up to 110 degrees in June and in July and August, and so we will just have to keep it shaded, keep it cool. I plan on us growing in something bigger. I think it was probably like a 20-gallon container that my sister always grows her ginger in, and I wanted her to be able to grow in something bigger, and we're gonna have to, and I feel like the turmeric and the ginger can grow together on separate, in a container or a bed on separate ends, but together, and they will grow well, I feel like, but I shall see. And again, thank you, Diva Jones. I got your mail. I really appreciate it. Everything will get planted here in my garden, and I really appreciate your generosity. You didn't have to do it, but you did it anyway. Thank you so much. So that's all I wanted to show you all, and I hope you all are doing well in your gardens. You all stay safe, stay well, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.